Hello friends, today I will show you a test on printer ink. I will test the ink whether it's waterproof or not. We use many kinds of printer. We use dot matrix printer, we use laser printer, we use inkjet printers and many type of printers, thermal printers and many type of printers. But most of this we use inkjet printer and laser printer. In normal printing, specifically in color printing, we use inkjet printers because inkjet printers are good, really impressions are really good and cheap also. Laser color printers are not cheap and they are not reliable in many cases, and most of the cases we use inkjet printer. But today I will show you whether inkjet printer ink is good or laser jet printer ink is good. I have two printing samples here. You can see in my left, you can see this is a printing sample taken from an inkjet color printer. This one is defining how a color printer prints a color image, how it processes the image. And in my right side, you can see this is a pandal from Bengali Puja. This is printed in laser color printer. Now I will sprinkle some water and I will see, and we will see that which printer ink is waterproof and which one is good. So let us start friends. I will just sprinkle little bit of water and we will see how it works. Friends, as you can see here in this one, that you can see the color is little bit washed out here. You can see the color little bit washed out. This is a printout from an inkjet printer, and this is a printed from a laser color printer. We will wait some more time and we will see what happens next. Friends, you can see that in inkjet printer the ink is not good. You can see the blue, magenta and the yellow colors are fading out, washed out, and this here you can see this is the proof. This is the proof. And another thing I would like to show you that in this case, this is a laser color printer. You can see the sprinkles are deposited here. You can see it's just like a waterproof ink or plastic. It works like it, and you can see that not a little bit of ink washed out here. So if you want to buy a color printer and if you have permitted or finance permissions, then you can buy definitely a laser color printer, not inkjet printers, because inkjet color printers ink is little bit not washed out. It's not that much waterproof, and the nozzle is also a problem, big problem, because if you do not use it for more than a week or a month, the ink will deposit it in the nozzle of inkjet printer, but you do not have that problem in laser printer. So thank you friends for watching. Subscribe our channel for further videos. Thank you very much.